How to assemble our Chester Rocking Moses basket stand. Before starting, make sure you have all the fixtures and fittings. Firstly, attach two of the legs to the support bar using two of the 30mm screws. Repeat this step with the remaining legs and support bar. Next, attach the curved base rail to the legs using 4 of the 70mm screws. Repeat this with the other curved base and legs. Attach 2 cross rails to the legs using 4 of the 30mm screws. Attach the remaining legs and curved base to the main structure. Finally, attach the plastic rails to the top of the legs using the 15mm screws. Now you have completed the assembly of your Chester Rocking Moses basket stand.